Vacuum bleeder would work is that you connect a pipe like this to the bleed nipple and then attach the vacuum bleeder to this side over here and then basically suck the brake fluid through. So really what I've got to do is make a vacuum inside this pipe. I mean, really you should be able to use a syringe. If the syringe was big enough, you could just connect it to that pipe and suck the air out and cause a vacuum inside there, and then the brake fluid would flow through theoretically, but the syringe is obviously a little bit too small. I'm going to try something with my compressor. Actually it's 4 bars at the moment. Theoretically, the way a sandblaster or soda blaster works is that air would pump through a tube like this, and there would be another tube attached going into the sand or the soda, and as the air rushes through, it would cause a vacuum behind it and suck up the sand. So that is the theory I'm working on, but I'm actually going to put this end into there, and I'm also going to put the compressor gun in there at the same time. So all I need to do is create a vacuum in this pipe. So now I just have a jar of water, and I've got the nozzle and I've got the yellow pipe into this white pipe. I'll put the yellow pipe into the water and try and shoot. So now I've connected the tube to the bleed nipple, and I've got a spanner already on there. All I have to do is just loosen it. So I connect this end into the pipe, and I put the compressor gun in there at the same time. It's a very tight fit, which is good, but it might be better to sort of tape that to make it completely airtight. Now I'm actually going to be spraying stuff into a bottle. Please remember that this brake fluid is extremely toxic to animals. If you splash somewhere on your cement floor, please clean it up, because animals will definitely die if they drink this. So anyway, I'm going to put it into a Coke bottle and afterwards remove the label and put poison or something on there. Anyway, so the spanner is loose and I'm going to start shooting, and you should hopefully, haven't tried this yet, see the brake fluid going through this pipe. So that didn't work, so I've upped the pressure. See what happens now. Stage I've had to make a few precautions. First of all, I've filled up this bottle with water, which I think is going to reduce the spray back, and if there is any spray back out the top, it's going to be diluted. The second thing I've done is add paper to my car. I don't want any of the brake fluid getting on there because it's so corrosive. I also noticed a lot of air bubbles coming through, but I don't think it was from the pipes. I think it was what we call false air. As soon as you loosen that bleed nipple, you get air coming down the sides as well. So that comes down the sides and out the nipple. So here I have a roll of Teflon tape, which is the stuff that plumbers use. And I'm just going to put that around the threads so I can perhaps seal it a little bit better. Stop the air coming through. Just going to do 2 lots. So let's give it another try. There it comes. Hopefully you can see it. Over here. And there we have it.